Assalamualaikum and hi everyone. Today I want to explain about website platform. Our group has chosen a platform website named Dreamweaver. So, among the benefit of using this Dreamweaver is an efficiency of use. Software is designed to consider advanced users. A simple and complete website. Ability to view HTML pages during the design process. Has the ability to show display code. The second advantage is the ability to create consistent looking web page. The software helps the design process including template. The template file is user create has an alternative step. Feature allow beginner to design web page because workload can be reduced, have a consistent style and become more user-friendly. The third benefit is managing and updating website effectively. Website designer can make website design changes, able to eliminate the need to change each page manually. In addition, it saves time and effort. The use of template means the design code is separate and the content without the risk of making incorrect changes to the code. The fourth benefit is easy to upload using FTP. Easy to upload using FTP. Dreamweaver software comes with a built-in FTP feature for uploading files directly to website. The last advantage is customizable software. Be able to customize the look of the software to match the need. Menus, tab, comment, font and code coloring can be adjusted. Okay, here I will explain about our group process in making Gantt chart. This table shows the course of a group discussion that took several days to complete. Firstly, we try to understand web application where this method takes 3 days. We try to understand about web application in a day. And we also found out how this web application works with today. Then, as we have understood web application, we had a meeting with members group online through Google Meet, which the meeting was made for 2 days. In the meeting, we have decided which platform to make as a website. After the website is selected, we have divided the task to each group member via WhatsApp group. Next, we did Dreamweaver development. After about a week, we understood and divided our group assignment. The development of this Dreamweaver took quite a long time. That is for 9 days. Within 9 days, we have prepared the site and the project file, working with code, discussing and displaying HTML data, whether correct or not. We also create table-based pages, add content to page, format pages with CSS and create CSS-based page layout. In fact, we made the development of the application website fast and finally create a ready website. This manufacturing takes a day to complete one transaction. Finally, the Gantt chart from our group has been successfully complete as well as possible. That's all.
By putting in a nutshell, this is our website. As you can see, home, about us, academic and financial. By scrolling down, you may find those 3 core points of university students' lifestyles. You can scroll more down to view about us and our contacts. When you scroll up and click about us, you may find our team members' informations, and the next page is academic. Over there, you may find the points of effective ways to study. In the next page is health information related to studies, which is managing exam stress, whereby we have attached a video as well. And the last page is about financial. In it, you can find ways to managing money during university days. We have inserted possible ways to be financially independent during university days. So this is all about our website preview. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum. My name is Nurhani Farhana binti Harmizi, metric number 272826. Now I will continue the presentation with the techniques and coding that we use to develop this website. The first technique is to design a great navigation system. The best way to engage visitors in our site is by developing a solid and impressive navigation system that will effectively support all search preferences. Our navigation system is intuitive and clear. As you can see, our navigation structure is simple and visitors only need to click on any of the boxes listed to find the information they are looking for. Navigation bars are a very important element in our website. This is because they provide the main method of navigation, a main list of links to a visitors. Now, I will explain to you how to adding main menu to navigation bars. First, we select the basic navigation and select Nest. Then it will appear exactly like this. So we just name each of the menus such as Home, About Us, Academic, Health and Financial. Each of our pages contains a set of HTML tags including hyperlinks that are used to link to other pages. HTML stands for Hypertext Markup Language. As you can see, there are 5 menu buttons, namely Home, About Us, Academic, Health and Financial, which have their own HTML code. Next, we apply a heading text on each web page. As you can see, our headings help visitors and search engines to read and understand text. For example, visitors like to scan content to get an idea of what the text is about and to decide which sections of the text they are going to read. So, with a heading, it will make it easier for them to figure out what a post, page or section is about.
Hi and Assalamualaikum. My name is Nurazaima Aliana binti Zainuddin and my metric number is 272936. Now, I will continue the presentation with technique and coding that we use to develop this website. I will explain to you how to adding the 3 thumbnails first. We use the Bootstrap Coding here. First, you must select this paragraph section. You go to Insert and select Bootstraps Components. Bootstrap is an open source CSS framework designed to come up with mobile-friendly, responsive front-end web development. Bootstrap flexibility enables designers to create the basics of web design, such as menus, tables, forms, and buttons. Okay. Then, you select the grid row with column. You select After and put this on 3. You can get exactly like this table that contains 3 columns here. Next, for this item category, you click this one first and add it down here. For insert the image, you click this one and select Browse. So you can choose what image to put here. Next, I will explain how to link the item category to the relevant sections. We use the HTML coding here. First, we click this one. Read more. Then, we can see we put academic.html here. For health, I put health.html here. so we can get the sections that we want to go. Next, do the same to financial. Okay, for the second technique, we need to pay attention to the writing style. Web content writing is much different from print. You need to write as per users' browsing habits and preferences. Use objective language. No one is interested in reading promotional content, so we will avoid long text without keywords and image. For our website, we're adding content to item category for every section. As you can see, our website categorizes our content. We also use bold color for subheadings and also use bulleted list for all the points. We put some image to every pages so that reader will interested in reading. We also put some animation video here with an interesting facts so that reader will be interesting to our website.
My name is Karunisa binti Azmi. My metric number is 272928. Now, I will continue the presentation. Next technique is maintaining consistency. It is a good idea to keep elements such as color, layout, or font fairly consistent inside. Site should have a smooth flow from one page to another. This means that font color should be basically the same throughout the site to maintain consistency. It is important to keep the element across all pages constant so that the viewers do not feel lost. CSS or cascading style sheets is used to style and lay out web pages. For example, to alter the font, color, size, and spacing of your content, split it into multiple columns or add animation and other decorative features. Cascading style sheets, fondly referred to as CSS, is a simple design language intended to simplify the process of making web pages presentable. CSS handles the looks and feel part of a web pages. Next technique is responsive web design strategy. As a content marketer, you need to know all the traits of the designing and development of a responsive web. However, you need to know what exactly responsive web design. Also, need to know exact content marketing responsibility. The web world is said to have undergone some technological changes, and responsive web design is at the forefront as far as content marketers are concerned. Responsive web design implies can write contents and publish it once. The layout actually changes accordingly to the capabilities and size of the device. There has been an astronomical rise in web surfing through mobile devices. You are confronted with a multitude of diverse screen sizes across tablets, smartphone, desktop, TV, and even wearable devices like smartwatch. As the screen size is consistently changed, you need to optimize your website for all these mobile devices. Your website should be designed in such a manner that it should be able to adapt to whatever screen size.
Our site is well designed and functional. It is important to be visually appealing, polished, and professional. Every page should always be fast and functional because any of them could be a potential viewer's first or only impression. Broken, slow, or poorly constructed areas will leave our visitors frustrated and encourage them to leave. Secondly, it is easy to use. As we see, site visitors are always in a hurry. We don't make them work for information. We create obvious logical navigation with clear hierarchy by using consistent layouts and visual cues for functionality across the site. Our site should satisfy both searchers coming for something specific and browsers as well. Furthermore, our site is optimized for mobile. Today, there are no excuses that our site must look great and work well on any platforms. The growth of mobile and tablet devices is not slowing down, and you just don't know what your next visitor will be using. Optimizing for mobile will improve visitors' experiences.